So, in part one, we went over the symptoms of mold toxicity and how it can destroy you from the inside out. Now, we're going to talk about what we can do to heal. So, if you're concerned that this might be an issue you're dealing with, I would first do a mycotoxin test to confirm that it is mold toxicity. And then you need to find the source and remediate it. You can do this with vinegar, not bleach. Next, you need to make sure that your drainage pathways are open. Do you have regular daily bowel movements? This is key because you have to tend to the gut with mold. Do you have leaky gut or parasites? Because often people with mold toxicity struggle with SIBO, candida, and parasitic infestations in their gut. The parasites create this biofilm, which protects the mold in your body. So it's crucial that we get those suckers out to heal. After you address your gut, you need to make sure that your kidneys and liver are functioning properly. And then look at your diet. Are you feeding it? I would recommend getting on a candida diet, but also make sure that you're getting in enough fiber and drinking lots of water to help flush it out. What about your lymphatic system? Are you moving it every day? Did you know that your lymphatic system is your body's toxic waste system? So it's important to keep it moving. You can get an infrared at-home sauna. They're fairly inexpensive and easy to use. Do this 15 to 30 minutes a day, 2 to 3 times a week. You can also move your lymph through dry brushing, lymphatic massage, exercising, or rebounding. Or you can get one of these cool little shaker machines. I love this thing. And you also need to be outside in the sun daily. Sunlight is vital for our health, as is sleep. Did you know that your deepest sleep is between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m.? So getting to bed early is important in healing too. And I know I've hit on this one a few times. Doing castor oil packs on your liver is very beneficial. Make sure you're applying heat as well. Do this at least 30 minutes a day. And talk about sleeping like a baby. Your liver will love you for it. And I know many of you are not familiar with coffee enemas, but they are great for your liver. And getting your liver working at its best is going to help get those toxins out of your body quicker. Salt baths are amazing too. Just make sure that your water is filtered and you're using Celtic sea salt. I always feel lighter after doing these. It's a great heavy metal detox too. And as I mentioned in my last video, removing heavy metals is important in getting mold out because mold loves that stuff. You also need a binder like activated charcoal, bentonite clay, or diatomaceous earth. This is the one that I use and I love it. And lastly, I want to hit on the power of incorporating a zeolite. This is the one that I'm trying, but TRS is another great one. See, there is hope, but knowledge is power. The more you know, the easier it is to heal. Happy detoxing.